Welcome. Today I'm going to be exploring with you one of the best application out there for you as teachers to explore. This application is called AutoDraw, and AutoDraw is a web-based application developed by Google, and this machine actually guessed what you are thinking in your mind. And the goal of this machine is to help you create a professional look of image, and with just a little of your idea is going to bring out everything in a very good way. So let's explore this app. How do you get this? As I said, it is web based, so we need to go on our Google Chrome, just type there auto draw, and you find something like this. So when you find this blank page, what you are just going to do as example now, let me think about so in my imagination right now, this is what I'm thinking of, and it's trying to correct me over here. It's asking me, do you mean the following? And this is what I actually mean. So this can actually help teachers to create a lot of ideas in the classroom, and this is definitely very nice. So this is auto draw, and I'm very sure you will find interest in this app. You can also get this on your PC. Also, it is available on your PC. So what you just need to do is to just draw anything, and when you draw anything, it is going to correct you automatically. It's asking me, do I mean apple, or do I mean this fruit, or do I mean this funny one also? So definitely the goal of this is to assist us to guess what we are thinking in our mind. And somebody asked me one day that is it going to take over the ability for us to be able to draw and more? No, definitely it's not going to. So it will only help us and make our work very fast as soon as possible. So it's trying to tell me, am I thinking of a car? Am I thinking of this type of car and more? So this is auto draw. Let me also show you on web. On web also, it is almost in me the same thing on web. What you just need to do is to just come over here. As I said, it is web based, so autodraw.com. So over here I can draw anything that I actually feel like, and auto draw will help me out in finishing my idea. So I mean a car, and that is actually my goal. So you can save this out to use as coloring page in the classroom. To save it, just come over here, click on download, and it's going to download it out immediately as any format you need, especially in PNG. So auto draw is one of the great application right now, and it has three formats: landscape, square, and the portraits. And this is very nice, and I would like you to give it a try. What else can I draw? Think about something I can draw. I'm still thinking about what I can draw right now. Let me draw a cat. A cat. Okay. Ear one, ear two, eyes, nose, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then the mouth. I'm definitely sure it's going to bring. This is a mouse. Yes, not bad. Another mouse. I think my drawing look more like a mouse than a cat. So it's even bringing a mouse. So definitely all the words joined together is what is bringing. So with this, you can just use this drawing, and it has a lot of drawing. If you drag to the left, to the right side, you are still going to see more, and this is the cat I'm looking for. So definitely it's going to guess what you are thinking of, and at the end of the day, you will find this app of interest. So I actually like this app, and you need to go and give it a try right now, as about to close right away. So give it a try. Auto draw will help you. For those of you that are running from drawing, this is the application for those people running from drawing, and definitely this will help you. Thank you very much. One love. Bye.